So, hi honeys, how are you? Tanya ni Shiloh here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping, and all that other good stuff. You guys, today I'm actually having for you another fast food mukbang. I've taken some time without doing a fast food mukbang, guys. I think it has been months. The last mukbang I think you did see on my channel, it was back then in November of last year, 2020, when I talked about fast foods, of course, in Entebbe. We ate all that other shebang. I'm gonna be leaving everything up here if you missed the vlog. But today it's not like any other day that we are always eating some solid food. Today it's gonna be, of course, some fast food. I'm having some chips over here, kebabs, meat zombies, sausages, and all that. So I'm gonna be eating, and of course, as I'm eating, I'm gonna be trying to explain everything. You know how we do it over here. I'm gonna try to break down everything, how we make them here in Africa, what options can you have, what is the most tribe that makes them, and how did they evolve to come to, into existence, and people from my region knowing them. So without any further ado, let us just dive into everything right now. I'm also having a drink over here. This is butunda. Yes, this is butunda. I think in the last mukbang that I did make for you guys, I explained all things about butunda. Butunda is also known as passion fruit in English. And here how we make it, it's in a lot of different ways. There are people who love to make it within mixtures of oranges, within mixtures of mangoes and all that. There are also other people such as myself who love butunda when it is very, very plain without anything. Sometimes I love butunda with some carrot, but most of the time I love it when it is free, when it is not very, very thick. You know that thick juice? I love it most of the time when it is free, just like this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this is very, 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 very free over here. It is completely free, and it is not, very, very tacky. And this is the first, silver plate over here. By the way, I did order all my food from V&V Fast Foods along Entebbe Road. Yes, that is the main road that takes you from the main airport, Entebbe International Airport, to the main city of Uganda. So these guys are amazing when it comes to fast foods. Yes, they pack very, very well. And I think also the quantities of the food, to me at least, it matters in my own opinion, and they do it for me. So first off, I'm having flies, or what you call chips. Yes, so this is another silver plate. I want to show you what's in here. So this is what is in here. I'm having some sausages. I'm having a piece of salt bread. I'm also having some kebab. I'm also having a meat zombie. Yes, a meat sumbusa. So we're gonna be eating, and hopefully I'll try my best to see that you guys, I explain to you everything. Yeah, I'll first off get my ketchup, and I put it over my chips. I made a very small, exit. So I'm gonna put some of this on my, I'll just bring a little bit closer for you guys to see. Just like this. I love to take it all over, just like this. I just love to take it all over so that I have something like this. I feel like this looks amazing already. So chips, or what you call flies. You guys, they taste very, very amazing. I love it whenever my chips are not very, very soggy. I think if you're a very long honey of mine, you know this. I love my chips when they are not very, very soggy with a lot of oil. And the dryness you get with these guys, it's amazing, They are very, very dry. Not very, very dry. And also, I don't love very, very dry chips or fries. I love those ones which are intermediate. I think that makes sense. Intermediate, So, chips are made from Irish potatoes. In Uganda, Irish potatoes are almost everywhere. I'll say like that. But I don't say that almost everywhere, because there are some parts of the country where they are not, where they don't grow properly, if that makes sense. A lot of my folks, or a lot of my brothers and sisters from Kabale, there are the people, Kabale is in Western Uganda. There are people who grow these Irish potatoes that we slice into different parts in order to make these amazing chips. But also in Uganda here, or the central part of Uganda, and also in the eastern part of Uganda, in Jinja, where you find my amazing friends, the Wasoga, they also, though they enjoy most of the sweet potatoes, but they also enjoy Irish potatoes. According to my knowledge, it is cooked in a lot of different ways. They are, raw boiling, just like regular boiling them, then you put in onions and salt and pepper and all that other good stuff, green pepper, yellow pepper, and all that. But also you can fry them like how they do on different functions here. Sausage, this is how you guys it actually does look over here. These are beef sausages. They taste amazing. Let me tell you a fun fact, you guys. A lot of Ugandans, I think, are the most population, they don't love sausages. I don't know why, but I think it goes back to the news that saturated around 2010, 2011, of how they were made from, very, very dirty stuff, which I'm not going to mention. But a lot of people, especially the Islamic community and some part of the Christian community, they don't eat sausages because of that. That news was so big. It stayed onto the media for as long as 6 months. I think even for a whole year, But I enjoy sausages, especially when I'm sure that the people I've got them from, they are, of course, the right people. I'll take some juice. Wow. And the butunda tastes so amazing. That passion fruit juice, it tastes so amazing. Let me guys know in the comment section below. Do you love sausages more than chips, or you love chips more than sausages? Heaven. Whenever I'm hungry and I've not eaten any solid food, I think for a day, like I would normally have, food, junk food especially, but when I feel like I've not had, solid food for a whole day, in the evening I don't want to stress my my digestion system with a lot of solid food. I love to take junk food. Now I want to try on the kebabs over here. I'll try to show you how they look. This is how the kebabs look. Yes. So if you don't know how kebabs are made, kebabs are, they are a mixture of mashed meat with wheat flour and some other ingredients, a lot of ingredients, salt, pepper, garlic, a lot of other ingredients, a lot of them. I don't like chili generally, but whenever my kebabs have chili, there is a particular kind of taste, they create, which I also love sometimes, So I want to also eat part of this. I'm not going to be able to finish the whole meal, by the way. Yes, I'm not finishing the whole meal, You guys, kebabs and chips and sausages, they are some of the fast foods that you have to actually watch out when you are in the country, because they are also almost everywhere. You will not ask for some fast food from any takeaway and they don't put for you sausages, they don't put for you kebabs, they don't put for you sumbusas. Sumbusas can either be meat zombies or cabbage zombies, or they can also be pea zombies. They can do it in a lot of different ways. The pea, I'm not being the pea, but the peas, cow. Yes. These kebabs also taste amazing. I think the whole of my lifetime, I've also seen my mom do these kebabs on very, very, different occasions. She knows how to make them. And when we are growing up, she used to make them, and I have all those amazing memories with me. These kebabs taste so amazing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Can you see this? They taste amazing. Wow. Next, you guys, I want to try out this meat zombie because I feel like I've not tried it out. Yes, this is a meat zombie. Sumbusas are also some of the commonest fast food that you'll see almost everywhere, especially within the country. They are made on villages by our moms, our aunties, our uncles, for pupils and students to take to school. But they are also made in different hotels and restaurants and all those other areas where they cook food. But they are also amazing in their own way. They are made from wheat. The top cover, this is made from ngano wheat. They make it the way how they make chapats. By the way, today I never had any chapats here because I was not craving any. But if you know how they make chapats, that's the most way they make zombies. They make chapat, and that chapat, how they make it very, very light, so that when they burn it in the charcoal stove, it is easier for it to be flexible, if that makes sense. I'm not a food blogger, but how I wish I would, do a tutorial on how to make some zombies. You will see all those things I've said coming to life. But nevertheless, I want to try out, this meat zombie with you guys. Wow, guys. Can you see all the meat inside? Can you see the meat inside? Yes, so the meat they use, it is smashed. I think I'll use my hands. The meat they use, it is smashed meat. Yes, it is smashed meat. Wow, this looks amazing, amazing. I'll give you another closer look for you guys to see. Wow, this zombie, guys, tastes amazing. Nevertheless, I also love very, very much peas zombies, sumbusa zakao. They also taste very, very amazing. And on top of that, there are a lot of different other things that they make from the same product, ngano, or what people call wheat. A lot of other things. You can make musibatai. Musibatai, it's also like chapat, but they fry it very, very much that it is hard like popcorns, if that makes sense. How I wish I would show you guys in one of the next vlog, hopefully, when I get some musibatai. They also make bolingo. Bolingo is made from, I think, cassava flour. Inside they put in rice, then they rotate it in the hands to make that bolus thing with rice inside. A lot of other things are made, from the same product. And for me, if it's not solid food, it is fast food. If it's not fast food, it is solid food. I love my fast foods most of the time, especially when I'm on a go, when I've not had very, very solid food for the whole day. And I love it, of course, for parties and all that very, very much. And lastly, I love the fact that they always put in salt bread inside here, in case we have different tastes, yes, and preferences, but salt bread always, for me, it makes up for me, especially when I'm done with eating all this other food. I love it very, very much. It actually acts like dessert, if that makes sense. Yes. So I want to come to the conclusion of this video. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. We are almost at 4,000 watch hours. Yes, I thank you for all the amazing love and support. I thank you for also sponsoring me. Yes, I thank you very, very much. I'm going to be keeping this actually for tomorrow, I think so. Because after this, I'm going to just sleep. Yes, it's actually very, very late right now. But thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Remember, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Also, subscribe to me if you are not. Yes. guys. Let me meet you in my next vlog. Then you're Shylock switching out. Bye for now.